It is April 30th, 2012. Taylor is 13 months old and she just started walking 2 days ago. So she's taking 2 and 3 and 4 steps at a time. You got a cookie on your face, Sierra? Taylor, come see Mama. Come see Mama. Come here. Oh, she did 1 step there. Good girl. Hi, baby Taylor. Hello, Sierra.
Hi, Mom.
Who's my precious girls?
I do.
Say, I am.
I am.
See if she'll walk for us. Hi, Taylor. Hi, baby. Hello. Hi, Cece.
Hi. Got the chocolate.
Oh, Sierra, good girl. You plugged it in. It's a good girl.
A puglet.
Plugged it in.